Oh, alright, there you go. What's up, YouTube? The grass is done. This is the whole picture. I had to come up on top of the hill here and show it from this different angle. Looks real good. Them guys, they've been working with me for the past few years. I hired them, and they come by, once a week, once every other week. Whenever, if I, need something done in here, they take care of it for me. You know, got it at a discount. I know I got these guys at a discount. I'm not gonna say how much I paid them. You know what I mean? But believe me, it was a discount. I appreciate it though. Wasn't taking advantage of them. You give what you can, man. If they didn't want it, they could have said no. I don't want it. Give me more or whatever, and they didn't. They said thank you, Al man, and kept it moving. So I got my grass now after 3 years. Would have had it after 2, but tried to get some sprinklers to work last summer, and it kind of took all summer, so uh, ended up not having any sprinklers and not having any grass. Weeds grew back, so guy came by and he rototilled it again about a month ago. Like that, he got those weeds out, and then we went and bought the grass. What was it? 72 cents a square yard. Might be wrong on that. Might be 72 cents a square foot. Can't think of it now. I know it costs $720. So if you're good with math, figure that out for me. So yeah, man, I got my grass. I'm happy. My next project. Oh, yo, let me get a little closer right here. You got Jeff, the evergreen tree. That was like about 4 inches when I got that. Somebody gave it to me. It was in a pot, and finally got it able to put it in the ground, and now it's like took off now. I think I read where it might go to 100 feet. We'll see. Watch out, cat. Move! Y'all don't want you to see no effing abuse over here with the animals, man. My cat, man. I don't know what's up with them. You just better handle the gophers, man. Keep them off my grass. Yo, let me show you this little schmuck. Yeah, you handle the gophers. Biting my feet. This area right here I got done about a year and a half ago. That was like fake grass on there. Dug it all up and put these 2 pepper trees in there and all those other plants in there. Put them there. Ocotillo right there. I have 2 of those. They were, man, how much these plants cost me? I think these plants cost me $75. The 2 of them. The other one's over in the gravel. $75. I was on the road going to Arizona one day, and we kept seeing these plants right here. They were like in the desert and stuff. They're like these bright red, bright orange flowers on them. It's like, yo, what kind of flower is that? What kind of plant is that? And looked it up. Ocotillo, Ocotillo. And so we bought 2 of them. I like it. It's spiky, If those of you all that know, don't touch it. Close to the guy right here. You know what I'm saying? Got the spikes on it. Definitely hurt. Well, yo, let's walk over here a little bit. This is another section of my yard. I had this fixed up already. You got to do weeding all the time, so got to get that stuff up. There's my lemon tree. I actually grew that from a seed, so that's about, I don't know, 8, 9 years old right now. Probably 8 or 9. My dad had a rough winter. I forgot to cover it, and we had some snow, and it like lost almost all the leaves, but not all of it was damaged. It's a little shorter now because I had to cut it back, but I'm kind of attached to it because it was a seed when I started it. So he looks alright right now. What is this guy right here? Crepe myrtle. You all know crepe myrtle. It's a pretty good plant. It's bright red flowers on it, stuff like that. So there you go. Pepper tree all in the way. Let me spin around to the grass again. Alright. So looks pretty good. They did a good job. And I lucked out because it rained the last 2 mornings, and it's been raining. One of them was overnight, like I think the night before last it was raining all into the morning, so, you know, kind of helped me out with my water bill. You know, because I've been using a lot of water for real. And I need this grass to catch. You know, so, yeah, good job by these guys. You know, got my grass now. I'd get my cover back over my table so I could sit down in the shade. In the swing. Watch out, cat. Watch out. I can't punch this cat on camera, so. You know, but as soon as it goes off, I'm chasing him. Yeah, oh, that's my next work over there in the gravel. In fact, let's go over there. You know, something to do all the time with this here. And you guys like that plant right there. You like it. Anyway, let's go to gravel. Got a nice little rose here. It doesn't get too big, but gets a lot of flowers on it. It's a little granddaughter, that's her plant. Little circle right here. Oh. It's a sheoak, S-H-E-O-A-K. That's what this is. Yeah, I grew this one too. Kind of like it. Looks like a fern, but it's an oak. And I have it looking nice over here, but it's been raining, weeds been coming up. I've been concentrating on the grass, you know, so I'll get to this. This is my next project, in fact. I'm going to be taking care of this, get this nice and cleaned up. Oh, here's the other ocotillo over here. See, it's a cool plant. Let me get this one again. It's got flowers on it finally. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Somebody I know doesn't like it, but it is. My grapes right here, they'll be coming in soon. It's like three different sections. It goes all the way down there. I don't have to go all the way over there. But yeah, lots of grapes. My trees, I got to get them water. They got some brown up in there. Don't like that. All the way across down to my grass again. Growing some poppies. Alright, those are coming up. And there's the grass. Again, that's the finished product. Them guys did a good job. And, you know, I'm ready to enjoy my yard. Alright, YouTube. See you later.